welcome to Back Porch Video. I'm Mark Parada, and welcome to another exciting live edition of the show. Starting it off with some great videos. Peter Gunn by Art of Noise from the new album, and Drive, She Said by Stan Ridgway. First of all, someone from the lighting crew of the show, please come up here. Matt says that this light's got to be turned, and I just lost my fingerprints trying to turn it. It's so hot. But I don't know if you're watching down there. 271-2600 is our request number. Requests and dedications are welcome tonight. We have a few surprises for you, not to give away all of them. Mark Silva from WDTX will be in contact with him, and he'll be helping us out here at Back Porch. Along with the first hour, all of a sudden we have Kathy and Pegs will be popping in along the second hour, and they'll have the guest VJ tonight, one of the crew members who wants to make his debut on Back Porch, and might be kind of funny, might be kind of good, might be clever, I don't know. Stay tuned in the second hour and check that out. In Excess, we have an interview with them, all kind of messages and that sort of thing. But right now, here is Art of Noise and Stan Ridgway at Back Porch Video Live.
Quarter to 3 in the morning, Harry's place. A rundown sewer in a bad part of town. 2 hours ago, this place was infested with slime balls and lowlifes. The kind of place the cops don't come in, unless they're wearing Sherman tank tops. Even the rats complained to the sanitation department. They say at Harry's, the only safe place to hide your dough is under a bar of soap. If you can find one. Something smelled. Not unusual for Harry's place, but this smell was kinda nice. Maybe 5'6", 5'7", with a lot of curves.